Gentlemen, men over 60. This is going to sound unbelievable at first, but something sitting in your bathroom right now can help trigger firmness in under 30 seconds. I'm serious. And no, I'm not talking about using it the way you think. There's a very specific spot on the body that, when gently stimulated for just 20 to 30 seconds, activates a nerve pathway that rapidly increases blood flow to the penis. No pills, no supplements, no special equipment. And when it's done correctly, it works the very first time for many men. What I'm about to show you is grounded in anatomy and nerve signaling, not gimmicks. But it's important you stay with me through the full explanation, because if you stimulate the wrong area, use too much pressure, or rush the timing, it won't work, and you'll assume it's nonsense. Now, before we continue, drop a quick comment telling me how old you are and where you're watching from. It helps other men realize they're not alone in this. And if men's health and confidence matter to you, subscribe. This channel focuses on what actually works as the body changes. Let's walk through why this works first. Now, before I show you how to do this, it's important you understand why it works, because if you don't understand the mechanism, you won't apply it correctly, and you'll assume it's just another strange internet trick. This isn't magic. It's basic anatomy and nerve signaling. Between the scrotum and the anus, there's a small area of soft tissue called the perineum. Most men never think about this area, but what matters is what runs just beneath the surface. A major nerve called the pudendal nerve passes directly through this region. This nerve plays a central role in sensation to the penis, the scrotum, and the pelvic floor muscles. More importantly, it's one of the primary nerve pathways involved in erection response. When this nerve is gently stimulated, especially through vibration or rhythmic pressure, it sends a signal up to the brain that says, increase blood flow to the penis. Research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine showed that targeted stimulation of this nerve pathway significantly improved erectile response in men with mild to moderate dysfunction. Why? Because you're activating the neural switch that controls blood flow. Think of your nervous system like an electrical circuit. The pudendal nerve is the wire connecting the brain to the penis. Stimulating the perineum is like flipping that switch. But here's the problem. Most men either don't know where this spot is, press too hard, or don't stimulate it long enough. And that's exactly why this technique, when done correctly, works so well. Now, before I show you exactly how to do this, there's something critical you need to know. There are 3 common mistakes that completely ruin this technique, and most men make at least one of them without realizing it. The first and biggest mistake is pressing too hard. This area is sensitive. The pudendal nerve sits relatively close to the surface. If you apply too much pressure, you don't improve stimulation. You actually dull the nerve or create discomfort. That's why gentle stimulation works better than force. The second mistake is doing it for too long. You don't need 5 minutes. You don't even need 2. 20 to 30 seconds is enough. Any longer than that doesn't improve the response. It just wastes time. The third mistake is timing. This technique works best when it's done right before intimacy, ideally within 2 to 5 minutes of when you need it. If you do it too early, the effect fades. If you wait until you're already struggling, you've missed the window. When those 3 things are respected, gentle pressure, short duration, and proper timing, the response is far more reliable. Now let me show you exactly how to do it correctly. Now let's walk through exactly how to do this. This is the full protocol. Simple, precise, and intentional. Step 1. Find the spot. Sit or stand comfortably. Place your fingers in the area between the scrotum and the anus. You'll feel a small, soft section of tissue. That's the perineum. It's roughly the size of a coin, and that's your target zone. Step 2. Choose the right toothbrush. Use a soft, bristled toothbrush. Not medium, not hard, soft, and make sure it's clean. This is sensitive tissue. Hygiene matters. Step 3. Apply gentle rhythmic stimulation. Place the bristles lightly against the perineum. You're not scrubbing. You're not pressing hard. Just enough contact to feel the vibration. Move the brush in small circular motions or use a light up and down tapping motion. The goal is gentle, consistent stimulation, not force. Step 4. Timing. Continue for 20 to 30 seconds. Most men notice changes within the first 15 seconds, but go the full 30 to maximize the response. Step 5. When to do it. This works best 2 to 5 minutes before intimacy, not 20 minutes before, not during, right before. When done correctly, this sequence activates the nerve pathway and primes blood flow almost immediately. Here's what most men notice when this is done correctly. Within 10 to 20 seconds, you may feel a light tingling or warmth in the pelvic area. Blood flow increases. Some men notice firmness beginning to build even without visual or mental stimulation. That's the pudendal nerve doing exactly what it's designed to do. Now, this technique works on its own, but there's one simple addition that makes it noticeably more effective, and it has to do with how you breathe. While you're using the toothbrush, slow your breathing down. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold briefly. Then exhale slowly for 4 seconds. Keep the breath calm and controlled. Here's why that matters. Slow, deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your nervous system responsible for relaxation and arousal. When you combine targeted nerve stimulation with controlled breathing, you're activating 2 pathways at the same time, one physical, one neurological. Research in psychophysiology has shown that controlled breathing significantly enhances physiological arousal in men. In simple terms, the body responds faster and more strongly. When you put it all together, the process is straightforward. Find the perineum. Use a soft bristled toothbrush. Apply gentle circular or tapping motion. Breathe slowly and deeply. Do it for 20 to 30 seconds, 2 to 5 minutes before intimacy. That's the entire system. Simple, targeted, and cost-free. Gentlemen, here's the key thing to understand. This technique works because you're activating a real nerve pathway that controls blood flow, not forcing anything, not overriding your body. But nerve stimulation works best when the rest of the system is supported. Circulation, stress levels, sleep quality, hormone signaling, they all influence how responsive this pathway is. That's why some men feel a stronger response than others. They're not doing anything wrong. Their body just needs more support behind the scenes. And this is where structure matters. For men who want to reinforce what we've talked about today, I've put together a guide that connects these pieces clearly. It's called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint. Inside, I break down how circulation, nervous system balance, nutrition, movement, and intimacy habits work together, so techniques like this don't feel random or inconsistent. It's designed to help your body respond more reliably, not just in the moment, but over time. You'll find it linked in the description and pinned comment if you want to explore that alongside what you're learning here. Now, let's bring this together. Gentlemen, remember, none of these techniques are magic. They're simple, practical ways to help your body do what it's designed to do when the signals and circulation are supported. If you notice persistent difficulties, that's your body asking for attention, and it's worth having a proper medical conversation rather than ignoring it. Before we finish, many of you ask what actually helps support men's health beyond techniques like this. After years in practice and reviewing the research, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials. 1 to support circulation and firmness, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. I've linked those below in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to take a closer look. And if this conversation matters to you, make sure you're subscribed. This channel is a space where men can learn, improve, and support each other without judgment. Drop a quick comment letting us know your age and where you're watching from. You'll be surprised how many men are walking this path alongside you. As men age, this isn't the end, it's a new beginning. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.